we're here at the GROB UK Open House, and I'm on the Heidenhain stand. And did you know you can get all new GROB machines with this control? So let's find out a little bit about it. Now, Lukas, thank you for your time today.
Yeah, thank you for the invitation. Yeah.
Can you talk us through the new TNC7 control?
Yeah, the new TNC7 control. We showed it the first time at the EMO show in Milano 3 years ago, and then we was the first to present it there, and then year by year the machine builders are increasing to show the TNC7, and it's a huge benefit for them. It's very intuitive to use. It's the next level of programming the control. You can do so many things. I would always say it's 50% control, 50% tablet. So when you can use a tablet, you can also use the control. It's very similar, multi-touch, very intuitive, and it's very good for users who are standing in front of the control. And also when you have CAD-CAM features, so you making your programs with CAD-CAM, we also have very nice features that also they can use. It's so perfect for everyone, and everyone loves it.
Well, I was just about to ask, what has been the feedback from your customers about the new control, from the customers who've actually had the older version to this? What's been the feedback like?
Everyone I talk to, they say, I only want to have TNC7. It's fantastic. We don't think that it's so impressive, the feedback, because the last thing we do from ITNC to 640, it was slowing down, everyone wants to have the old control. But this time, it's everyone want to have the new one, because it's so intuitive. Everyone wants to know about everything. Many customer comes to our booth and want to see it, and often they come and say, what should I buy, a TNC640 or a TNC7? After we show them the new functionalities, the new user interface, then everyone say, I need a TNC7. It's ridiculous, it's perfect.
Now, a lot of people might not know that you can actually get a GROB machine with this control. So how long have you been supplying a GROB machine with this control, and will it come on all the new mill turn machines?
Yeah, also every 5X machine with GROB you can buy with the TNC7, also the mill turn machines. And I think they started at June this year. And also the feedback from GROB is very huge, that they selling a lot of machines with TNC7, and they don't expect it that the customers want to buy the new control, but it's selling very good, and it's a good feedback from the machine builder and also from the end customer. We don't get any bad feedback. We don't know.
Well, that's a great place to be, let's be honest. It's a great place to be to not have any bad feedback.
Yeah.
So we're here at the GROB Open House. What's the few days been like for you guys?
Yeah, it's very nice to be here. We want to thank GROB that we can be here. It's the first time for us to be at the open house from Heidenhain. And yeah, it's good feedback also there. We talked to the application engineers here from GROB, and yeah, it's very nice to be here and can promote our TNC7.